So welcome to the 8th video in the Challenger Public Speaking Practice Challenger of AJ Hart, the director of effortlessenglish.lab.com. And today, the topic today is this morning I watched a video from AJ, and he told about questions of his students. What is the engine? What is the energy of effortless English? So his answer is he described the engine, the way you learn English is like a picture that you can image when you have a car, and when you want to get to a destination. So if you have a modern car, a new car, and you have a clear engine, a new car with a modern engine, so you can put it in the most clear, the powerful fuel, the petrol. You put in your modern car. You can get to your destination very fast, very quickly, and very fun. But when you have a modern car, but you don't have a fuel, you don't have petrol to put in the car, so you can't to get to you cannot get to your destination well. Or if your petrol or your fuel are bad, you cannot get to your destination too. But you another way, you have the best petrol, the best fuel, but your car is old, is broken. You also cannot get to your destination. So learning English like this, like that picture. Your car, your engine is the method, the teaching method, the learning method, the way you learn your English, the way you speaking, you practice your speaking, your listening, your writing every day. And to get to the destination, so your destination is you speaking English excellently, effortlessly, automatic, and fluently. You speaking fluently. You can write, you can listening very well, and your petrol, so petrol gas, your gas is your engine, your energy, your motivation to learn the English. So the method to learn English well is contain two parts. The one is your engine, your car. So that is your method to learn, to be taught English. And number two is your fuel, your gas. That is your motivation. So the most destination in your English, in your travel by car, is speaking English excellent. So that is today's video.